And so, yeah, township.
Ready, Judge? Torsia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Gilliam. Mr. Gilliam, please state your name for the record.
RJ Gilliam.
Thank you, Judge. We did speak to Mr. Gilliam. He's having some trouble getting this matter resolved. Our office did indicate that there was not discovery in our file. So I'm asking for an adjournment. I'll talk to Mr. Siller about the discovery, Judge.
All right, quick pause. Notice a pattern. Adjournments, adjournments, adjournments. This is courtroom reality. Delays aren't drama. There's strategy. When attorneys say no discovery, that means they don't yet have all the evidence. And without evidence, you don't proceed. You pause.
May 20th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Yes. Court calls the case. Thank you, sir. Court calls the case, People versus Dion Heath Jr.
And so, yeah, township.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Dion Heath.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing great. State your name for me.
Dion Heath.
Requesting an adjournment.
Adjourn the matter to May 20th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continues. Court calls the case, People versus Michael Holston.
And so, on behalf of township.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Holston, Your Honor.
Your name, sir?
Michael Holston.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Request adjournment.
Adjourn the matter May 20th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Robert Lynn Jackson.
And so, on behalf of township.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Robert Jackson.
Robert Jackson.
What are we doing?
Requesting an adjournment, Your Honor.
During this matter, May 6th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
All right.
Court calls the case People versus Dion Jones.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Jones.
Another adjournment. But here's the nuance, different date. That usually signals urgency or a tighter timeline. So ask yourself, what's different about this case? Is there more pressure behind the scenes?
Dion Jones. There.
Jones.
It's Miss.
My apologies. It's also, is your name hyphenated or not?
It's not.
It's not. I don't know why they have it. That's why I got everything messed up. It was not
That's
me.
okay.
It's everybody. It's everybody else. It's not me. I just need you to know that. All right. Okay. All right. What are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. This Jones in the case.
It's Miss Jones.
Jones, I apologize, Miss Jones. Sorry.
See, I'm getting it corrected for everybody.
Sorry, Miss Jones.
Messed up, Miss Jones.
I apologize.
They're just messing the whole thing up.
I did.
It's
Yes,
okay.
you did. Yes, you did.
I
Torcio feast.
that's fine.
Messed it up.
I did it.
All right.
She indicated that she needs 60 days, Judge. She has to pay.
60 days.
Yes, Judge. She can pay what she has to pay off, have her valid license.
Oh.
Yes, I have a newborn that will be due June 1st, so I do need some time.
That takes her right after.
Oh, I'm supposed to buy that?
Okay, did the judge just joke about buying that? This is where courtroom culture gets interesting. Humor isn't just for laughs. It humanizes the process. But don't be fooled. Decisions are still very real.
No, I'm kidding. No. Yeah, June 1st?
I have a baby due June 1st. Yes, I'm currently pregnant right now, so I need some time.
Okay. Well, I would presume if it's due June 1st. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. How much do you have to clear up?
Lord have mercy.
Do you know what you have to clear up? It's actually not.
I was made aware when I received the ticket, so now I have to get set up for a payment plan because I wasn't even aware that I had any warrants.
Okay, see, I got one. I got one ticket, it looks like. Because she has this one, which she took care of in our court. And then looks like, were you informed of something out of Livonia, ma'am?
Yes, that's the one I was informed of.
That's the one. Okay.
Yes.
So she's only got one ticket out of Livonia.
Like go double parking today. We can
Do that for her?
Oh, thank you, Mr. Silver.
All right.
So I think she would like to accept that offer. That's what we're working towards. So we take that today, please.
You'll accept that offer to double parking the civil infraction, ma'am?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. And do you admit responsibility to the fact that on March 12th, 2026, Michigan Avenue in Pittsfield Township, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. This your first?
No, this
Child.
is my second.
Your second?
Yes.
Okay. My second was, well, I didn't have it, but my second was the harder one. All right. Here's what I'll do.
Now, this is a moment. The judge cuts the fine in half. Why? Mitigating circumstances. In plain terms, life matters. Courts can and often do consider personal situations like pregnancy. Justice isn't always rigid. Sometimes it's flexible.
Fines and cost of $180. You're due June 1st, so in celebration of the baby, I'm going to waive 90.
Oh,
Thank
When
you.
do you think? You're welcome. When do you think you can get that paid? You're going to have to pay for diapers somehow. So
fair.
I can do May 20th. May 20th.
You think you can do it by then?
I'm hoping to do it before then.
Let's see. Baby's due June 1st. Baby will have a month birthday July 1st. Then it'll be 2 months old. August. September. Probably going to be a real smart baby, so to start school in September.
Oh,
And then, so. You've got more things to worry about. Pay it by September 30th of this year.
Thank you.
thank you,
Your
Judge.
Honor.
You're welcome, ma'am. Take care and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Court calls the case, People versus William Kirk.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Portia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Kurt, who I believe should be on Zoom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
State your name.
William Kirk.
All right. What are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Kurt has his license, a temporary license back. Mr. Siller has agreed to allow him to plead guilty to double parking.
That's correct. Yeah, parking accept it. It's Mr. Original charge.
Mr. Kirk, do you admit responsibility to the fact that on or about December 20th, 2025, location of Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can you get that paid?
I can have that paid by next week.
By next week?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you to the end of the month. Pay it by April 30th,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
2026. Not a problem. Take care.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
Travel light.
Court calls case, People versus Vasola Lambo.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Ms. Lam.
Vasola Lambo. Vasola Lambo. I want to have somebody try to text out pass it. Court calls case, People versus Julie Martina.
Ron,
Oliver. Go ahead.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Got her. We do not have her.
And just like that, boom, bench warrant issued. This is the flip side of the system, miss your court date, and things escalate instantly. No warning, no grace period. So let me ask you, would you risk missing court?
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $5,000, 10%. Warrant will issue immediate. The court does call the case, recalls the case. Vasola Lambo.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Ms. Lambo.
Your name?
Hello, Basola Limbo.
Hello? Okay.
Yes, can you hear me? Basola Limbo.
We can, yes, I can hear you.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment. She's had several medical setbacks, delaying her clearing her license.
May 20th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Judge.
Bond. Thank you. Court calls case of the People versus Talicia McIntyre.
Will the judge, for show Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. McIntyre.
McIntyre,
Thank you, Judge. I reached out to her by phone, had no contact with her, do not know why she's not present for the record. I will adjournment.
bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear, bond 5,000, 10%. Warrant to issue immediately. Court calls case People versus Shavante Malcor.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Ms. Melcor.
Malcor? State your name.
Melcher.
Melcher, that's right. I messed it up the last time. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor. Set final settlement. Like,
Jury final settlement conference will be June 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection, June 8th, 2026, 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Derek Moore.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Derek Moore. Your Honor.
Hello, chicken strip. How you doing? State your name, sir.
Derek Dwayne Moore.
Thank you.
You like chicken, Judge?
I'm not even getting into you that with Ron. I am not. I see what it says. I just. Nice shirt. All right, what are we doing?
Requesting adjournment. He wants to see some video from the police.
From the on, okay, gotcha. Turn it to May 20th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. You too. Court calls case of the People versus Renee Moore.
For show Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Moore. Ms. Moore, please state your name for the record.
Got to unmute, Miss. There you go.
Renee Moore.
Thank you.
Judge, you should have a plea form and advice rights in the file. We'd like to
Yeah.
resolve this today.
I have heard that she's gonna plead to retail fraud. Maximum penalties on that.
Oh. And it's 90 days in or fine.
She's gonna plead to the retail fraud under Pittsfield Township ordinance. 90-day offense upon her successful plea to that charge. Well, that's as charged. and defendant is approved for a deferred sentence. There's a sentencing agreement. That's a full understanding.
Yes, Judge, correct.
All right. Ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
State your name again, please.
Renee Moore.
All right, ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud under the Pittsfield Township ordinance. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $500 fine plus court cost. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
You understand by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any questions regarding any of those rights?
No.
Looking at paragraph 5, you understand that you're giving up those rights as well as other rights that are contained on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
You on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
Doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
November 29, 2025, at the location of 7000 East Michigan Avenue, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. What did you do at the Walmart that makes you think that you're guilty?
I took some items that I didn't pay for.
And tried to walk out of the store without paying for them, ma'am?
Yes.
Store was open to the public at the time?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No.
And that property that you took was offered for sale by Walmart?
Yes.
Counsel, have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
I believe you have, Judge.
All right. Ma'am, I do have to advise you that if between the time of sentencing and the time that I accept your plea, that if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rules, you will not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would no longer be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
And counsel's aware of no other promises, threats, or other inducements.
Go, Your Honor.
It's all on the record, Judge.
All right.
This is what a full guilty plea looks like, step by step. Rights explained, waived, confirmed. It might feel repetitive, but it's critical. Why? Because once that plea is locked in, there's no easy way back.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty. Defendants referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in this matter will be May 13th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Bond will continue. Ma'am, I need you to wait on the line, please. We're going to put you into a breakout room with our my probation department, so we can start the sentencing process, okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case People versus Deanna Simmons.
And it's still around the end.
For the judge, torture fees.
Oh, that's a state case.
It is.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
For the judge, torture fees to assistant public defender. Well, I'm not yet appointed, but on behalf of Ms. Simmons.
I'll appoint the public defender.
Thank you,
It's
Judge.
your case.
Thank you, Judge. I believe the court had previously entered a bench warrant on this matter.
I did.
We'd be asking that be
And
read.
for whatever reason, she went up to the front counter and then had convinced some clerk to advocating on her behalf that I recall her case.
She got the charisma, Judge.
I don't know what's going on. It is a conspiracy. I am recalling this case. That's the only thing that I can give you.
Thank you.
Well, we appreciate you doing that, Judge. I think so.
I apologize about that. When I received the notice, it didn't have a time on it.
I know. And then I heard the whole thing about Chat GPT.
Yeah.
It's a time.
1 p.m.
I don't even know, why would you do that? It goes 1 p.m.
It is.
AI, it's wrong.
Yeah.
Right?
Wait, did the judge just call out AI? That's wild, but also a real lesson. Relying on automated info, especially for legal matters, can backfire. In court, I saw it online, won't save you.
Yes. It
And so you should never do that again because you
Oh, I
have
won't.
the bench warrant. If I were a much meaner person, you'd have to walk around with the bench warrant and the baby. I'll set aside and cancel the bench warrant.
Thank you, Judge. My understanding is this matter might be resolved.
Yes, there's some good news here, Your Honor. I didn't.
I know, that's part of the reason I did it, but go ahead, let the world know.
On the day of this, this time we will be moving.
No objection, Judge.
I don't know if I'm gonna do it.
Oh.
Have to do anything.
I don't have to do anything. Yeah, thank you, Ann. Not doing it for you. I'm doing it for the baby.
Well, that's freezing.
Yes, thank you.
Case dismissed.
Thank you.
I'll tell you.
Thanks.